Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best Smart TV Roku has to offer in 2025. The Roku Smart TV Select Series 50-inch 4K HDR model. Whether you're upgrading your living room setup or looking for a powerful yet affordable streaming solution, this TV brings a lot to the table, and we're here to break down why. Right out of the box, this Roku Smart TV impresses with its sleek, flat 50-inch LED screen that delivers sharp 4K UHD resolution. The picture quality is enhanced further by HDR10 Plus and HLG support, meaning colors are vibrant and the contrast is striking, making every scene come alive whether you're watching the latest blockbuster or streaming live sports. Roku's own smart picture technology takes it a step further by cleaning up incoming TV signals and automatically optimizing the display settings for the best viewing experience without you needing to fiddle with complex menus. One of the standout features of this TV is its user-friendly Roku operating system, which is as simple as it gets. You get quick access to over 500 channels, including live local news, sports, movies, and tons of free content alongside your favorite subscription apps. The home screen is customizable too, allowing you to arrange apps exactly how you like for fast, easy navigation. Connectivity options are plentiful with 3 HDMI ports, including one with EARC support, USB-C, composite inputs, and even an optical audio output. This means hooking up soundbars, gaming consoles, or older devices is hassle-free. The TV also supports Wi-Fi 5 and Ethernet, ensuring smooth and reliable streaming. For audio, Dolby Audio is built in, giving you crisp, clear sound. And if you want to watch without disturbing anyone, the Bluetooth headphone mode lets you connect wireless headphones directly to the TV. Plus, the enhanced voice remote adds convenience by letting you search for shows, control playback, and even launch apps with just your voice. Lost your remote? No worries. It has a handy lost remote finder feature. Smart home integration is another big plus here. The Roku TV works effortlessly with Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, and Apple AirPlay, so you can control it with your voice or cast content from your Apple devices right onto the big screen. Game mode and variable refresh rate, VRR, support make this TV a solid pick for casual gaming with smooth motion handling. In terms of design, the TV measures just a little over 3 inches thick without the stand, and the included stand is sturdy and stylish. It also supports VESA 400 by 300 mm mounts if you prefer to wall-mounted. Overall, the Roku Smart TV 50-inch Select Series delivers fantastic picture quality, easy navigation, and an unbeatable price point. It's a smart, versatile TV that fits perfectly into any home entertainment setup. If you're looking for a Roku TV that balances performance, features, and affordability in 2025, this one definitely deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.